So what's the name of this falls?
Skogafoss.
Skogafoss. One of our drivers, Emmeline, is native Icelander, helping us with the pronunciation. Now, these falls are very beautiful back here. Wow, look at that. Quite beautiful. Might want to bring a rain jacket because the mist is coming down. Let me get a couple pictures right there. That's nice. Ooh. Yeah, that's very beautiful.
We're supposed to wear our rain jacket.
You get down right here. Ooh, there's a rainbow. See the rainbow? Very beautiful. That is a nice picture. And this is why you come to Iceland. For the waterfalls, for the borealis, for the hiking, for the black beach. Just amazing. There we go. Look at that. Get a little spray. Which if I get closer, the rainbow will be bigger. Let's go give it a shot. Wow, look at that. Yep, the closer you get, the bigger the rainbow is. Now this is pretty amazing. You can get the rainbow up there. It's a little bit hard to get your own view of the waterfall without somebody else stepping in the picture. But I'm trying. What do you think of this waterfall?
It's good. I like it, yeah.
Yeah, look at that. There we go. And it's so beautiful out there. Are you going to kiss me?
No.
What a tease, huh? You're just going to tease with that?
That's beautiful, yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
The rainbow is magical. It's like right all around you. And the closer you get, the bigger the rainbow gets. Whew, that was fun. Wow. Nice views from the corner over here too. Come around. Get it from over here from the side. Look at that guy over there standing on the edge of the water. I don't have a strong enough rain jacket on to do that. But that looks like a lot of fun. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful.
What that one? Salya, ayan ang gusto ko dito sa ano. Ay, may mga car na.
We ate here at this restaurant right by the falls. Uh-oh, watch out. Allegri's going to hit you. Right there by the falls. Nice view.